Hi, this is Kunchu again. Here is a Lego MOC, the Containment Unit. The Containment Unit is for the hero factories to get the Brain Parasites and Jumpers. This Containment Unit is foolproof, made of glass, and cannot be destroyed easily. So here we look at all the sides and all areas. Oh, that's gonna hurt. It won't work on these cocoons, so I say only they work on the jumpers and the brain parasites. So let me give you an example. Let me show you an example. So I take it out. Let's start with the the jumper first. You put it aside. We close it, and voila, it's well fit. Next is the brain parasite. Take that out. We put him in. For that, you have to take this out and this out. So let's put it in. You see how it goes to all this. You see how the tail. And there you have it. The brain can fit through it. Now let's take it out. Then put them back. And the cocoon. And voila! The heroes will be able to capture all jumpers and brain parasites, and they could use them for studying them. So this is a good way for them to save the time from defeating them and all. So the jumper, the cocoon, and the brain parasite. Cocoon doesn't work, but only the brain and the jumper work. Well, thank you for watching.